Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. This video will show you how to get Clash of Clans Gold Pass, using Google Play credits. This video based on Google Play points. If you don't have idea about Google Play points, watch my previous videos about Google Play points. I put the links in video description. Clash of Clans fans know. Every month they give Gold Pass and more features than Silver Pass. However, we need to purchase it. Today I am going to get Gold Pass with spending Google Play points. We can see, this month of Royal Champion anime skin with Gold Pass. Now I am going to spend my Google Play points to get Gold Pass. This is the My Point balance. If you don't have an idea how to collect them, watch my other videos. Link in description. Example, we can see here. Install this app and they give 10 points. Let's see they actually increase play point balance after installing it. Now I have 647 points as my balance. After installing, make sure to open it. We can see 10 points added to balance. We can collect play points daily completing tasks like this. In this use option, we can use them as Google Play money. There is coupons for your favorite game and apps. We can spend them to purchase from Google Play Store. After purchasing Google Play credits and game coupon, we can use them in Clash of Clans game. If you new for Google Play points, check my other videos, comment me below, does it worked or not? Thank you. See you again.